any problem, just give a holler, and
Okay.
I'm charging back.
All right, I need to stay to the left.
Now, I know it.
All right. Wish I could gun it right now. Do it. You hold on, Stuart.
Someone will fall off.
Yeah, Stuart's gonna fall off. Then he's gonna bring down the sail.
You.
I'm gonna put one of you guys on the wheel so I can bring down the sail. Don't want to lose my whale.
Does iPhones take pictures during the video?
I don't know.
Yes. Well, hers might not.
Oh, okay. I just see the stop button. So
Mine does.
it does have the camera icon in.
Yeah, you can stop it and like still, like
Gotcha.
during the
You
video.
were just great.
Thanks, Stuart.
First rule we have on these boats is ignore the other boats. Now, see, just pass that red one real close on the